Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. These are my exclusive freehand painting artworks. Some are for order and sale. Do click the ad to visit my channel. Hand painted porcelain dinner sets are for sale. Those who are interested can join my professional online certificate courses. I teach oils, acrylics, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oregata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, vases and many more. I take orders and my details are in this video and below this video in description. This is my freehand painted designer Georgette saree. Those interested can order for designer works. You will be seeing designer wall pieces and designer bed sheets in this video. Do see my other videos for painting tutorials and exclusive artworks. This is Rajasthani lady painting on the pallu of silk saree. This design can be framed and made home decor. These are oregata flowers with duplex paper and you can learn this course online. It's a special process to make these flowers. These paintings are for sale and are of copyright and patent. Those who are interested can buy them. These paintings will be sent and postal charges will be extra. This is freehand painted designer bed sheet on fine cotton cloth of king size. Those who are interested can order for such bed sheets. This is another bed sheet with full of roses. All the bed sheets are of king size. This is designer design of chrysanthemums. You can order for such bed sheets. Cost is depending upon the work. This is peacock bed sheet and this is puny designer bed sheet. These designs are creative and hand painted. The cost depends upon the work. This puny design on another fine cotton bed sheet. These are hand painted porcelain plates and these can be decorated and can be used. Got these colors from US and these are oil based and after painting the plate has to be heated at 850 degrees. The plates have to be painted more number of times after heating to get the final result. All these plates are for sale and this is dinner set and this is also for sale. The cost of each plate is different as depending upon the work and time taken. All these are freehand paintings and creative designs. This is another roses painting dinner set on bone china plates. All these plates are bone china. There are other decorative items in porcelain for sale and you can see in my other videos. This is a special kiln to heat the porcelain artworks and it takes almost 20 hours to heat and cool down. Chrysanthemum painting on silk cloth and this can be framed and made a home decor. You can order for such designs. These are my freehand painting designs which you can frame and these designs are for sale. You can learn many techniques in painting from my live painting and other tutorial videos. These designs are on 100% cotton cloth and are of A3 size and these can be framed and made home decor. These designs are all creative and patent. Peony and flowers on silk cloth and this can be framed or made a fan. This is roses design on silk cloth and this can be framed. These designs can be painted on designer clothes. This is chrysanthemum design on silk cloth and this can be framed. This is peony design on silk cloth and this can also be framed. These are floral greeting cards. These are Ajanta paintings on canvas and these are for sale. These are table mat designs and these table mat designs are for sale. A set of 6 table mats is for 600 and postal charges will be extra. You can order for any of these designs. These are my handmade M-seal flowers on decorative mirrors, napkin holders, candle stands and incense holders, paperweights and toothpick stand. Are exclusive artworks reasonable for gifts on occasions. This is decorative mirror and the cost depends upon the work. This is decorative plate. You can order for these items. You can learn to make these flowers and some flowers are ready and you can buy. I have freehand painting course book with notes and techniques of 65 pages in black and white. Those interested can buy my book. Interested can buy abstract paintings in acrylic. This is oil portrait. Murals and 3D works on pots are also done on order. This is decoupage on pot. These are Ajanta paintings on pure silk saree. Designer freehand paintings on sarees are also done on order. Cost depends upon the time taken and the work. These are chrysanthemums on French crepe saree. You will be seeing my murals, tanjore paintings, oil paintings and many more works. Varieties of professional artworks are done on order and some are ready for sale. For more details, see my contact and other details in the description below this video. Like my video, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on freehand painting and many more exclusive artworks with tutorials. Keep watching and see you. Bye bye.